Thank you for joining us for our first Lunch and Learn webinar. The purpose of these webinars are to help ease the confusion about how to navigate HealthCare.gov and to make the application and enrollment process easier. My name is Janine Scholander, and I'm joined by
Amy Coven.
We are Outreach and Enrollment Coordinators for the Oregon Health Insurance Marketplace. Our primary goal is to help Oregonians like you find an affordable health insurance option that works for you. In today's webinar, we will be talking about how to create and maintain an account on HealthCare.gov. In Oregon, we use HealthCare.gov to apply for financial assistance, compare health plans, and enroll into coverage. So let's get started.
HealthCare.gov offers a wealth of information and tools, but today we'll be focused on how to create an account. By creating an account, you'll be able to submit your application, apply for financial assistance, compare health plans in your area, and enroll into a health plan. After you've enrolled, you'll be able to do even more, which we'll talk about a little bit later. The first step is to point your browser to healthcare.gov. Make sure your address bar shows this website. There are many websites that can appear to be the real site, but are actually much different. Healthcare.gov is the only place where you can apply and receive financial assistance to help you pay for your health plan. Once you've navigated to the website, you'll want to click on the login in the upper right-hand corner, which you can see here where the red arrow is.
On the next page here, you'll see the option to log in. If you've already created an account, this is where you'll enter your username and password. In this case, we need to create a new account. So click the button that says Create One just above the username box.
The next step is to select Oregon and then to fill in all the fields that appear. As you type your password, little green check marks will appear to show that you've met the password criteria. Make sure that 3 check marks appear. If they don't, then the system will not let you move to the next page. One tip that we have is to make note of what your email address you use and the password that you select, and also your security questions and answers. Keep this information in a safe place in case you forget your login details. Remember, your password is case sensitive.
Once you press the green Create Account button, a message will pop up telling you to check your email. Navigate your browser to your email account. You will have a message from the Health Insurance Marketplace. When you open this email, an orange button will be inside that says Verify my email address. Press that to verify your email with the system.
The button in your email will turn you back to the login page on healthcare.gov. Enter your username, which is now your email, and also the password you created. Remember that your password is case sensitive, and then create the green login button.
Once you've logged in, you'll see your account dashboard. Here you'll be able to quickly see if you have any new messages from the marketplace. You'll also see your name and be able to access your account profile. We have removed the name from this profile for security purposes. To start a new application or see an existing one, click the big green button.
The next screen is set up to prepare you to apply. If you've already enrolled, the system may skip this page altogether. Select Oregon and then select either Start My Application or Go to My Applications and Coverage. Today we're going to select Go to My Applications and Coverage.
The next screen will show you your application dashboard. Here you'll be able to see any messages that are waiting. You'll be able to start a new application or renew coverage. You will also see any applications that are either in progress or submitted. And if you've applied for coverage through the Oregon Health Plan but were not eligible, you should have gotten a letter from the marketplace recommending that you apply at healthcare.gov. The letter references an application ID number, which you can search for in the system. If found, you won't need to start your application from scratch. Today, we are going to select the first application showing under Your Existing Applications to see what else we can do.
The next screen will give options for different actions you can take on your application. In this case, the application hasn't been completed, so you're given the option to continue your application. The options on the left will be available before you complete your application and after you're done. You will be able to see any plans you've enrolled into, check your eligibility for assistance, and appeal any decisions. report any changes to your application, and also change your communication preferences.
Today we highlighted how to set up your HealthCare.gov account and what you'll be able to do once you log in. Does anyone have any questions about what we discussed today? Okay, well, thank you for joining us today. Our next webinar topics are listed below. We invite you to join us. Please register at the link below and make sure to register for each webinar individually. If you have any feedback, please send it to us at info.marketplace@Oregon.gov. And thank you again for joining us.
Have a great day.